As a manufacturer of highly sophisticated permanent magnet assemblies, CMM Magnets has invested in a state-of-the-art measurement machine in order to perform and document demanding and accurate measurements on many different types of workpieces. Our in-house Mitutoyo Crista Apex 900 series CNC coordinate measuring machine offers a wide range of measurement capabilities, with accuracies ranging from 2 to 5 micrometers, depending on the total dimensions of each workpiece. The equipment is located in a separate, temperature-controlled facility to always ensure a stable environment during the measurement process. The loading area on the granite surface plate allows workpiece dimensions of 1600 times 900 millimeters and a height of 600 millimeters. The maximum weight can be up to 1,500 kilograms. With several options available, a measuring software is used to calculate a highly efficient and optimized measurement plan based on the specified dimensions and tolerances for each individual object. These specifications are imported directly from a CAD model and can also be modified when needed. An optimized measurement plan combined with a high speed and a high acceleration drive increases the number of measurement points. Air bearings minimize vibration, even during high speed, high acceleration movement, thus ensuring stable linear motion. The measuring system provides a selection of multiple measuring heads, depending on which kind of object is under work. The system includes a Renenshaw motorized probe head, a scanning probe system, and a Mitutoyo non-contact probe system. Our CMM system enables us to measure a wide range of high-precision products, including customized pressing and grinding tools, single magnets, subcontracted parts and components, and highly complex permanent magnet assemblies, also in serial production volumes. CMM Magnets, your highly qualified partner for the design, manufacture and measurement of the most demanding permanent magnet assemblies.